Did you know that smart home technology can actually lower your insurance premiums? That's right, folks. Welcome back to Ontario Insurance Tips. I'm your host, Francois Kern, here to guide you through the ins and outs of insurance in Ontario, Canada. Today, we're diving into the world of smart home tech and how it can help you save on your insurance costs. But before we get started, if you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and join our community. We're all about helping you understand insurance better and finding ways to save you money. So let's talk about smart home technology. We're living in an era where technology is advancing at an unprecedented rate. From smart thermostats to security systems, these devices are not just making our lives easier, but they're also making our homes safer. And guess what? Insurance companies love safety. When you install smart home devices that protect your home from risks like fire, theft, or water damage, you're essentially reducing the likelihood of making a claim. And insurance companies reward this with lower premiums. It's a win-win situation. You get a safer, smarter home and cheaper insurance rates. But remember, not all smart home devices are created equal. Some will have a more significant impact on your insurance premiums than others. For instance, a smart security system that includes cameras, alarms, and a direct line to local authorities will likely have a more substantial effect on your insurance costs than, say, a smart light bulb. So if you're considering investing in smart home tech, do your research. Find out which devices will give you the most bang for your buck in terms of insurance savings. And don't forget to inform your insurance provider about your new tech. They won't know to give you a discount unless you tell them. That's it for today's episode, folks. I hope you found this information helpful. If you have any questions about smart home tech and insurance, or any other insurance-related topics, don't hesitate to leave them in the comments below. I'm here to help. And remember, if you're looking to save on your insurance costs, reach out to me. I'm always here to guide you on how to secure better insurance rates, typically 10% to 45% cheaper. Thanks for watching. And don't forget to subscribe to Ontario Insurance Tips for more insights into the world of insurance in Ontario. Until next time, stay safe and stay insured.